Hello everybody, and I'll be short because it's very late. And my presentation will be about ecological refrigerants and first of all about ammonia. As you know, there are some huge advantage from the point of view of ecological, that means global warming potential, and ODP, which are zero for ammonia. In comparison with other refrigerants we are using, first of all, in industrial refrigeration, like 404A, 134A, or CO2. In Romania, we use in food industry ammonia, first of all, for storage. More than 80% are used here. And also we are using between 1 or 5% for warehouse, slaughterhouse, dairy, poultry, vegetables, fruits, chemical, and drinks. For logistics centers, milk, poultry, slaughterhouses, dairy industry, beverage, fish processing, cold store, ice rinks. For the point of view of equipments, we use compressors, screw compressor more than 80%, and reciprocating 1 or 2 stage, not more than 30%. For the point of view of condensers as equipments, we use more than 95% evaporative condensers and only 5% water cooled. And evaporators, we used more for fresh products, that means about 70%, and only 30% for freezing. Let me show you some examples. For example, here you see what we use for dairies, for milk industry. It's an application example for Danone Logistic near Bucharest. It's a system which ensures minimum energy consumption, including defrost optimization, and we have also some innovation, compact manifold station, quick execution, maximum safety due to the reduction of welding. Another example with ammonia we have for leading food processing company, one of the most modern refrigeration plant we have. For efficient operation of screw compressor, condenser fans, ammonia and glycol pumps are driven by frequency converters, operating cost optimization via heat recovery, discharge from the oil cooling, floating condensing pressure around the plant. Another example, leading retail logistics center from Romania, the most advanced refrigeration plant for leading retail group, very high quality standards, heat recovery system in 2 stages, one from discharge side, second from oil cooling, automatic oil recovery system, and all major equipment controlled by variable speed drivers. We use also CO2, and starting last 5 years, we built a lot of transcritic new commercial application, and also for supermarkets, we work with cascade system, 134A and CO2. And you see only some examples from the most important regions we have in Romania. And here, we use more from refrigerating capacity. You see that most were used here, and also 10% or 50% for freezing capacity. Let me show you some examples with hybrid CO2 134A we use from Carrefour Buzău, Romania, and also there are some companies, strong companies, who are taking care with this kind of systems. Efficient and environmental friendly refrigeration system, heating of the primers with heat recovery from refrigeration circuit, and used electric rolling valves. First CO2 installation was built in the eastern part of Romania, Galați, the first transcritical CO2 refrigeration system with heat recovery, preparation of hot water, and for heating for hypermarket, and also with Romanian engineering, delivery and installation. Operation optimized CO2 and subcooling parallel compression installation by certified technicians. Another example, we will see here some examples of CO2, this booster system, Carrefour Brașov, Romania, Carrefour Vulcan, also Kaufland, Carrefour Târgu Jiu, Romania, Mega Mall. And, for example, in the central part in Brașov, complete remodeling for old refrigeration plant, which was with 404A, and was performed while the hypermarket operated in normal conditions. The biggest we have in Mega Mall in Bucharest, and also we have another one in Carrefour Vulcan, also in Bucharest and Târgu Jiu, completed by new transcritical CO2. We are taking care to certify our technicians and to improve with Romanian General Association of Refrigeration decertification system. We are as a certificating body. We are organizing EU projects and also training of personnel involved in the field of refrigeration. And you can see here some examples. So, in conclusion, demonstrating a strong commitment to protect the environment through the use of natural refrigerant and most advanced refrigeration solution, our country decided to use green technology for ammonia and CO2 and for CO2 cascade system, and we stay ammonia traditional user. We are also respecting, as a member of EU refrigeration regulation and legislation. Thank you for your attention, and you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me.